Okay, so today I'm replacing the low beam headlight bulbs in a 2005 to 2010 Honda Odyssey. It's going to be a quick video. All you need, these bulbs, no tools or anything. Before you start doing anything, instead of putting this bar up here, put it in this lower one. It'll give you a lot more space, a lot more light. Also, a light is kind of nice. There's a clip on the side of the connector that just pulls right off. And this just turns and it comes right out. This one's good, so I'm going to save it, but the other one's bad. We're just replacing both at the same time. All right, now we're over at the other side. Do the same thing. Kind of have to wiggle it off sometimes if they've been on there for a while. Pop the bulb out. This one's old. Try not to touch the glass. If you get any oils on it, it burns out much faster. Put the bulb in the hole with the connector part facing down, and then you twist it into the right. There we go. There we go. Before I do anything else, make sure the lights actually work. Okay, it works, so you can close the lid. That's all there is to it to replace the low beam bulbs on the 2005 Honda Odyssey. Hope you liked. Thanks for watching.